Hey traders, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at one of the most talked about forex brokers in the forex world right now, Sway Markets. Is it the real deal or just another scam waiting to snatch your hard-earned money? So are the rumors true? Can you really trust Sway Markets with your money? Stick around because in this video, we are going to uncover everything from their trading platform to the fees, to the customer reviews, to the withdrawals, and the security measures, and a lot more. So are the rumors true? Can you really trust Sway Markets with your money? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have all the answers that you need. So if you are thinking about trusting Sway Markets with your hard-earned money, you need to watch this video first. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So I know a lot of you guys have asked me to provide a video review about Sway Market, and I've always been telling you guys that at the right time I was going to do that for you guys. So I believe this is the right time to do that, and that is simply because I wanted to make sure I have a personal experience of this broker so I can be sure that I provide an adequate and correct information of whatever goes on with this broker. So I've been with this broker for about 7 months. I started trading with Sway Markets since January of this year. So from January to this time, that is about 7 months down the line. So I believe within my 7-month experience, I'll be able to guide you with the right information you need to know about this particular Forex broker. So this broker here was established in 2022. That is about 2 years ago, but I started trading with them, and that is just 7 months ago. And within the 7 months, I've learned a lot about this Forex broker, and I'm going to share everything I've known about this broker with you guys. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to know when it comes to Forex broker is to look at the regulatory status, right? Their regulation, if they are regulated or not. So regulation is a big deal. And just in case you do not know, regulation is going to guide you in case of any shading business is going on with a broker, right? Because regulatory is like an oversight of Forex broker. So there is a regulatory body that controls financial services in each jurisdiction. So Sway Markets here is also fully regulated. It ensures that if there is anything wrong that goes on, there are people who are going to be held accountable. Probably somebody is likely going to jail if something wrong goes on behind the scene from the Forex broker. So you need to check for regulation, and when you get on the home page, the Sway Market home page, you can find their regulatory number and their regulatory status on the home page. So when you look all the way to the downside of the screen, you can find their registration number. You can find it, their regulatory board. You can find it, right? So Sway Market is regulated in Australia under the Australian Financial Services, right? Australian Financial Services. So you can also look at it. You can see their number also over here. You may also check this out. You can verify this by going to WikiFX. So when you get to WikiFX, this is a platform where you can check the regulatory status of different Forex broker. So you simply go to the search box and then you search for Sway Market right there, and then you wait for the results to pop up. So that is Sway Market. We simply open Sway Market, and then you would find their regulatory status over here. You can see the Sway Market is fully regulated under ASIC. So ASIC is the Australian Financial Services. So this is a regulated broker, so which means you have nothing to worry about. If anything goes wrong, people are getting people will be held accountable for whatever happens to the customer funds, right? And so this gives you peace of mind that you are working with a very good Forex broker. So the first thing you need to know is to look out for regulation. And after regulation, the next thing that should be in your mind is your deposit options, the minimum deposit. A lot of traders have different minimum options for your deposit, but with Sway Market, you are able to deposit as little as just $10. You can see here, the minimum deposit is as little as 10 USD. So with 10 USD, you can make an account and start trading right away with Sway Market. And another point you should also consider will be the trading platform. So with Sway Market, the trading platform that is allowed is called the Sway Chart platform. Initially, this broker was using the MT5, and as we all know, there's been a lot of issue with MT5 in the United States. So this broker had to use a lot of innovations to come up with our own very advanced trading platform, which is absolutely very great. And this is called the Sway Chart. So the Sway Chart is available for every platform: the iOS, the Android, the Windows, the Mac, and the web trader. So this is just how the Sway Chart looks like. This is the Sway Chart over here. Very amazing platform. Very amazing platform. So the Sway market uses the Sway Chart platform for trading. And the next thing you should also keep in mind is to look at the spreads. The spreads, how competitive is the spread of the broker? A lot of brokers right now have crazy spreads. So when you compare Sway markets to different brokers, you would notice that Sway market has one of the best spread in the Forex industry right now. So most of their spread are usually below 1 pip, you can see. So the spread usually tells you the difference between your ask price and your bid price. And it also tells you the amount of negative that you'll be in, that your trade will be before it goes into positive. So if you open a trade, you are only going to be in negative for about 0.2 pips. That is very insane. That is like raw spreads. You are only going to be in negative for about 0.4 or 0.2, depends on the currency you are trading. Whereas when you compare to different other Forex brokers, you are going to find crazy spreads. You are going to find really crazy spreads. So I'm going to compare this with 2 or 3 other different popular brokers that most of you are probably trading with, and you're going to see the difference in this. So let's look at this other Forex broker, and then you see the difference in their spreads. So that is it. So the next point I'm quickly going to talk about will be the leverage. So with Sway market, they have up to 1 to 500 leverage. They have different account types. They have the VIP, they have the ECN, they have the no commission, they have the Islamic account. So the most popular one, which is the ECN, it provides you up to 1 to 500 leverage, which is probably the standard leverage you can find anywhere. And then you are able to perform up to all this typical spread here starts from 0.0. So there are pairs that you trade that you have zero spread at all. So you can find the other features of this account, the ECN account. You can find the other features right there. So this is actually very good. The leverage also is very good. So 1 to 500, that is almost as best as they come. And another feature I like about Sway market is the copy trading. A lot of times traders nowadays try to buy copy trader from a third-party platform. But if you're a customer of Sway market, you are provided with a free copy trading software, which means you are able to copy trades from different Sway market traders directly into your account. You do not have to buy a VPS. You do not have to buy a different software or subscribe to a third-party software just to use a copy trader. So with Sway market, you can copy trades from different profitable Sway market traders right from your trading account, or in your broker account, and you are good to go. So this is a great feature that comes at no extra cost for Sway market members. And the next point I will talk about is the withdrawal method. So the good thing about Sway market is that the withdrawal method is actually very fast, one of the fastest I've seen in my almost 10 years of trading in the Forex market. So when you place a withdrawal within less than 5 minutes, at most less than 5 minutes, you are definitely going to get your withdrawal. So I've been placing withdrawals over the months. For the past 7 months I've been with Sway markets, my withdrawals never exceeded 5 minutes. And most of the times you get your withdrawals instantly. So it depends on the network you're using. When you withdraw with your crypto, the Bitcoin, the USDT, you get your withdrawals almost instantly. Very fast, super fast. There is no delays. You do not have to wait until Fridays. You do not have to wait on the end of the month or end of the week before you can make a withdrawal. You can make a withdrawal at any time. Anytime, as long as you have money in your account, you make some profit, or any money you have in your account, you can withdraw right away. And it takes less than 5 minutes. You have your withdrawals in your wallet. And also for your deposit options, you can also make deposits with crypto. Likewise, you can make deposits with your cards. If you have a Visa card, MasterCard, you can use your credit cards to make deposits as well as your crypto, Bitcoin, USDT, and most other popular crypto assets, right? Very simple as that. And the next point I would also quickly talk about is that Sway market is also one of the markets which has its own inbuilt prop firm accounts, right? So this broker also makes it very possible for traders to also branch into their own prop firm accounts, right? So they provide up to $200,000 in prop firm trading. So you can buy challenges for as low as $10 to get $1,000 prop firm account. So when you pass your challenges, you are funded with live account to trade in the Forex market. So they have their own inbuilt prop firm account, which is called the Sway Funded. So Sway Funded provides you funding up to $200,000 in funding. You can see that up to $200,000 in funding, and you can buy this account for as low as $10, right? With the 1,000 USD start rate as low as $10, and the 2,500 cost you only $25, and the 50,000 here, the 50,000 here costs you that should be about $349, and then you have the 200,000, which costs you about $989. So that is really about it. So this is also a program launched by Sway Market. It's called the Sway Funded. So you do not have to look outside for a good and reliable prop firm account, which can really be so tough to come across these days. So Sway Market ensures that if you are interested in trading prop firm, you can also look at the Sway Funded prop firm, which is established by Sway Market, and then you can trade reliable on a very convenient and reliable platform. So that is it about prop firm. And the other point I will quickly talk about is the customer support. So the good thing about Sway Market is that anytime you have an issue with anything regarding your account, regarding your trading, you can definitely hit up the customer support. And the customer support is available through the live chat, then also through the email or even phone calls, right? So you can simply hit up the live chat and immediately you can get the help that you need and your issues are resolved right away. So the live chat has been very responsive. I've been using the live chat more and more, and it's always been very responsive and always solved any issue that I probably had. So that is really awesome. So when you go on platforms such as Trustpilot, you can find a lot of great reviews about this broker. This is just one of them. You'll find a lot of other great reviews from this broker. You can see a lot of great reviews. The customer service is the best I have seen. So there's been a lot of great reviews about this Forex broker, and users have definitely good things to say about this Forex broker. And personally for me, I believe Sway Market is one of those brokers that make sure you have everything you need to be successful. They provide you the best trading conditions that ensures that you have a good trading experience in the Forex market. The spread are very competitive. There is almost no other broker that provide this kind of spread in the Forex market, and also your withdrawals and your deposits are almost instant. They are almost instant. So there is no comparison when it comes to Sway Markets and other brokers out there. So I believe this would be my good review on our Sway Market. And the last thing I will also mention about Sway Market is they've got one of the best affiliates program in the industry. So if you are interested in affiliate program, getting paid for every trades that your downlines are making, getting paid a commission based on every trade your downlines are making, you can definitely look into the Sway Market IB partnership program, and you can get awesome reward for promoting this broker, and also use that extra income to probably fund your account or probably set off other bills. So that'll be my honest review about this broker. If you have anything else to add up, you can add up in the comment section. Thank you for joining me so far, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Thank you for sticking around till this very minute. So what do you think? Is Sway Market a scam or is it legit? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear your experiences and your opinions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss out on any other updates. And if you have any brokers you are curious about, let me know in the comment section. I will check them out for you And remember, trading in the Forex market is all about making informed decisions. Knowledge is your best investment. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep trading smart and trade safe.